am Sayyid Ali Farag Kazmi and I am collaborating with Faiza Hussain and Helika Hamid on a project focused on human activity recognition using deep neural networks. We have had the privilege of working on this project under the guidance of our esteemed Professor Dr. Muhammad Awais with additional support from our co-supervisors Dr. Ramiz Naqvi and Dr. Sajjad. Following are the contents of our presentation. That includes introduction, overview, what we have done so far, and the final conclusion. Let me introduce what is human activity recognition or activity recognition. Activity recognition is generally based on video or image sequences. The system exhibits its ability to recognize a wide range of components, including actions, activities, gestures, and interactions between individuals and things, and group activities. Now, what is the motivation behind our project and the objectives of our project? Motivation is potential applications in healthcare, sports analytics and surveillance, and many more. Addressing the need for automated systems capable of understanding human behavior from data, and the objectives are develop a deep neural network for human activity recognition, achieve high accuracy in identifying and classifying diverse human activities, and the last one is implement efficient algorithms to process large scale data sets. Expected outcomes and deliverables: accurate activity recognition, real-time feedback system, and the last is adaptability across diverse human activities. In this study, we compare different machine learning models including DNNs, CNNs, and vision transformers. We have trained them on diverse datasets like facial recognition, cancer detection, CFAR10, and sports classification using both traditional training methods and transfer learning. By analyzing the trained model, we aim to understand how well each model performs on various tasks. This is a perceptron schematic. A perceptron is a fundamental building block of artificial neural networks. Inspired by the structure and function of biological neurons, it takes multiple input signals, each with an associated weights, sum them up, and applies an activation function to produce an output. This output is typically binary, representing a decision boundary separating classes in classification tasks. We transition from working with DNNs to CNNs because DNNs excel in processing non-image data by learning complex relationships, while CNNs specialize in image tasks by efficiently extracting spatial features through convolutional layers. The CNN model architecture comprises three essential layers: the input layers, the hidden layers, and the final and fully connected layers. Initially, pre-processed images of dimension 224 x 224 are fed into the input layer. Within the hidden layer, convolutional layers analyze the images to extract features which are subsequently downsampled through pooling layer. Additional convolutional layer further enhance feature extraction. Finally, the fully connected layer leverages learned features to classify the image accurately. We trained CNN model through transfer learning using ResNet 18 and efficient BEAD7 pre-trained models on sports dataset having accuracies 84% and 91% respectively. We explored training convolutional neural networks for human activity recognition using both traditional and transfer learning methods. While CNNs have been successful, and we are excited to present a new approach leveraging vision transformers. This model excels at identifying actions in videos. By pre-training a VIT model on a large sports dataset, we have given it the ability to learn and adapt to new activities. The model analyzes videos frame by frame, predicting the specific action happen in 10 frames at once. The vision transformer is a powerful deep learning model tailored for human activity recognition, excelling in understanding complex relationships with the various activities. Leveraging self-attention mechanism, transformer networks efficiently analyze image sequences by focusing on crucial information. In our pipeline, the model classifies images by pre-processing tokens extracted from a sports dataset comprising 20 classes and 2,748 images. Images are initially broken into the patches, flattened, and embedded into the layer into a linear projection layers for dimension reduction. Token undergo further embedding and prepositional encoding before transferring through a transformer encoder, where multi-head attention layer and normalization layers enhance information flow. Finally, a multi-layer perceptron layer facilitates accurate image classification, enabling precise identifications of human actions. Our training of the VIT model involved 2,748 sports-related images. The slide details the quantity of images allocated to training, testing, and the total count within each sport class. We have trained our model on 10 epochs within the training efficiency of 99.96 and testing accuracy as 95.15. This graph shows train and test lost and train and test accuracy over 10 epochs. The classification report presents precision recall and F1 score metrics for various sports categories. Most classes achieve high scores indicating accurate classification performance. While some categories exhibit lower scores, particularly in cricket, football, and golf, suggesting potential areas for improvement. Overall, the model demonstrates strong performance within an accuracy of 95% within a balanced average across classes. The confusion metric reveals that only 5 instances were incorrectly classified out of the total predictions made by the model. This indicates a strong level of accuracy in the model's classifications within the most predictions aligning with 2 labels. Despite a few misclassifications, the overall performance showcases the model's effectiveness in accurately identifying sports categories. These are the results for our model image prediction. Predicted class golf and the probability is 0.999 or 99%. This is video prediction for our presentation. Predicting the video predicted class boxing with probability of 0.95 or 97%, 92%, and so on. Moving to the next slide, this the frame 158 predicted classes football probability with probability of 95.48%. Predicted class hockey probability 97%. Conclusion. Successful model development. We have successfully developed a deep neural network model for human activity recognition, transfer learning impact. The incorporation of VIT and transfer learning, especially from ImageNet, has significantly enhanced model accuracy and adaptability. Thank you.